gonna run?
Approaching a railroad crossing.
You just hit that.
Just get in.
Okay, Garm.
পিছনে কিছু ছিল তুমি যেদিকে গেলাম
না
দেখছি না
দেখছি আমি
কি হয়েছে গাড়ির
Speed limit decrease ahead to 25 miles per hour. Speed limit decrease ahead to 25 miles per hour.
That was nuts.
What the fuck? So anyway, and then we got talking about it, and it's like, well, is there even enough people?
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and share it so that more people discover it.